Are you looking to save money on your monthly mortgage payment? Hey gang, it's Caleb, the mortgage man McDermott, and I want to thank you for joining me today because we're about to dive into a topic that could significantly impact your financial journey in 2024. So if you're a veteran interested in maximizing the benefits for a successful VA Irrrl refinance in 2024, you're in the right place. But before we get into the details, let me explain why I'm so enthusiastic about this one. This mortgage is one of my favorite options and I find it the most exciting. It's not just about helping veterans with their home financing, but it's also about providing a path to lower interest rates and payments with minimal paperwork. And sometimes the VA Irrrl can also be called a VA rate and term refinance. So if you hear someone call it a VA rate and term refinance, they're most likely talking about the VA Irrrl. Alright, so let's begin. And let's start with a guide to a VA Irrrl refinance to ensure you're well prepared, starting with the eligibility requirements. You must currently have a VA-backed home loan in order to use the VA Irrrl. Also, it's crucial to live in the property covered by the VA loan, which means this must be your primary residence. So if you don't live in the property, unfortunately, you will not be able to use the VA Irrrl. And next, your loan should be at least 210 days old, which typically equals around 6 months of mortgage payments. And lastly, your interest rate must drop by half a percentage point when transitioning from a 30-year fixed to another 30-year fixed loan. This reduction requirement can change though if you're changing loan terms. Like say you're going from an adjustable rate mortgage to a 30-year fixed rate, that 0.5% won't matter. And now, let's cover some of the benefits of the VA Irrrl and talk about why it's such a fantastic option. Firstly, there's limited paperwork. Usually all you're going to need is a COE, credit of eligibility, and we can help you obtain that if you're unsure of where to find it. Also, there's no income or employment verification required, no private mortgage insurance required. This one should be a given though, but just like your current VA loan, there's no PMI. And another great benefit is that there's no appraisal needed for the VA Irrrl, saving you time and money. And my favorite benefit is the minimal closing costs, and they can often be rolled into the loan amount, making it super convenient for someone trying to save money on their monthly mortgage payment. And lastly, even if your credit score isn't that perfect, you won't be disqualified from the VA Irrrl refinance. In conclusion, a VA Irrrl refinance in 2024 presents an incredible opportunity to our veterans to lower their interest rate, reducing your monthly mortgage payments, and simplifying your finances. So whether you served in the military or have an affiliation with it, this benefit is available to you. So if you're considering using a VA Irrrl refinance or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find my information in my YouTube bio, or also feel free to drop a question below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm always here to guide you guys through this process and help make the most of this opportunity. I want to thank you again for being here with me today, and I look forward to assisting you with the VA Irrrl refinance in 2024. And lastly, if you found this information valuable, can you guys do me a favor and please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't ever miss out on any of my future mortgage insights. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.